Why might an officer search me if I'm caught stunt driving? If you're pulled over for stunt driving in Ontario, you might be surprised to find that the police, they can actually arrest you. Although it's not a criminal charge, the act of being pulled over and given a stunt driving ticket can legally speaking count as an arrest. Depending on the situation, you could actually be handcuffed or even put in the police car. So why would they search you during this process? Well, there's a few reasons. One being to protect themselves and the others around them, to make sure no evidence gets destroyed, or to gather evidence about the stunt driving incident itself. Also, in certain cases, the police might have the right to search your car for similar reasons. Well, I was only speeding. Why am I being arrested and searched? It's a good question. You might think of this as just a speeding incident, but stunt driving is considered a Part 3 offense under the Highway Traffic Act. This means that it is a serious matter that can risk public safety. So essentially, your high speed could have endangered other people. And that's why the police might arrest you. Once you're arrested, they also now have the legal right to search your car under certain circumstances. They might, for example, suspect that alcohol or drugs contributed to your high rate of speed, which could then prompt them to search your vehicle. Well, the question is, can I object to the vehicle search in court during my stunt driving case? Well, this part can get a little bit complicated because while you can challenge the search in court, the main focus in a stunt driving case is the accuracy of the radar that clocked your speed. The radar's reading is the crucial evidence needed to prove the stunt driving charge. So challenging the search, it might actually distract from the core issue, which is the radar's reading. Is it legal to search a car during a stunt driving incident? A lot of the time, debates about the legality of a search, they actually hinge on whether the search was actually allowed by the law. Simply put, there are certain circumstances in which a police officer has the right to search your car. If these conditions are not met, the officer may not have the right to the search. So it often comes down to a discussion in court about whether the right conditions were present. So what should I do if my car was searched during a stunt driving stop? Well, getting legal advice, it's actually the best course of action because if the search was justified, trying to challenge it might complicate your case and potentially lead to a trial that you may not win. So keep in mind that if the radar evidence shows you were stunt driving, the prosecutor and the province will view you as a threat to public safety. They will not see you as a victim, but rather as someone who could have put other people's lives at risk on the road.